Hey guys, it's Becky at Split Nut Ranch. As you can see, I'm in the chicken coop today and it needs to be cleaned, so we're gonna take an adventure of cleaning the coop today. Oh, I got some eggs. Okie doke. Let me grab my stuff, my equipment, and I'll be right back with you. Hey everybody, it's Becky. As you can see, hopefully you can see our chickens. I have them in their coop part. We're going to be cleaning out the chicken coop today. Kind of needs it. So, why don't you come with me? As you can see, it's not a real huge coop, but it does need some cleaning. We clean our coop probably once a month because we have so many. The ammonia builds up quite a bit. So we're going to gather eggs first and then we'll get going here. Okay. I don't see any more eggs. Y'all see any more eggs? Okie dokie. So let's get some gloves on. Y'all. And as you can see, I got some mud daubers, wasps wanting to move in. We're gonna have to stop that from happening. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Well, one of the little things I will show you, I had seen done a few years ago, and I think others do it as well, is the roost for the chickens. Okay. Its capabilities of being lifted, which you'll see in just a sec. Up out of the way. So you can clean underneath it a lot easier. Instead of having to fight it constantly. Okay. So, that's that, guys. Okay. So, you always want to make sure the nests and everything are cleaned out as well. Always make sure you wear gloves. It's better if you use a respirator or a mask as well, so you're not getting all the feces dust in your lungs. Okay, so I just scraped off the manure up off of the top level here. It was kind of thick. Hopefully you can see. We've kind of let it go throughout the winter. And it gets fairly thick. Builds up the ammonia as well, so I'm getting rid of it for the spring at least. Not this video, but probably the next time I clean, you'll see there's some buildup on the back wall there of straw and hay and eggs, well, broke eggs, that have fallen in the past to help cut down the disease and so forth. So I'll have to detach it and clean behind it for next winter. You always want to make sure you have a good clean chicken coop for your chickens. They do get respiratory diseases fairly easily, and as most animals, chickens will not tell you what's wrong. Sometimes they'll look normal and healthy until the minute they drop dead, which is scary because then of course the rest of your flock can be contaminated or contagious with the disease. So I will also be sweeping away the cobwebs here in a few minutes as well. So bear with me, please. We'll get this cleaned up. I'm also going to leave the door open. It's such a beautiful day. Once I'm done, I'm going to air it out some. You can see a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, a lot of feces build up, and it does not take much. As I said, you really should use a face mask or a respirator to do this for your own health safety. I hope I'm getting this okay. Not quite sure. The buildup of the straw underneath will also create the fire hazard, which that would be one of the last things you want in your coop as well, or in your barn. How beautiful a day, beautiful blue sky out there. What a day to be in the barn. Okay, I'm gonna get this side here with the beds. In the fall we'll use a torch and get rid of the buildup of webs and dust, spiders. Guaranteed. You can see. Oh, lovely. Oh yeah. I'll have to get Tyson to spray. Get in there and spray. Outside, it's on the window. Really don't want too many wasps hanging around. Okay, guys. We'll be free ranging the chickens shortly after this. Plug that back in. All right. I'll be back with you shortly. See this? Okay, it ain't spotless, granted, but it's a chicken coop. A lot cleaner than she was. I don't steam wash it or anything. Had to wipe out a couple mud daubers' nests that were in the back corners hidden. So they're not too excited with me. I will let it air out for a little bit and then add some straw and put everything back in. And I'll show you a picture when I'm done. Okay guys, have a good day. Enjoy the wonderful weather that we're having. Doesn't come often enough, but she's coming.